When the Roland DWX-50 finishes a milling job, there is usually some chips and dust left over that needs to be cleaned up. This video will assist DWX-50 users in properly cleaning their mills, not only on a regular basis, but will also walk them through the best practices for cleaning and preparing the mill for calibration. One of the most important aspects of keeping your DWX-50 working with the most optimal results is to clean your mill thoroughly and regularly. Once you complete your milling job, this process can easily be done using a couple of simple items. Begin by opening the front cover. Next, pull the dust collection hose out of the front of the DWX-50. The placement of the hose in the front of the mill was designed for easy cleaning. Use the vacuum to carefully remove cutting waste throughout the entire rotary area. Pay special attention to the clamp, automatic tool changer, and spindle. Using your V-panel, you can flip the clamp over by clicking on Clamp Upside Down, and also move the entire rotary to all four corners by clicking Head to Corner. Please note that you must have the cover closed when performing these functions. Although it is important to clean your mill as thoroughly as possible after each milling job, particular attention should be paid when cleaning prior to calibration. When performing the periodic correction, the outside edges of the ring fixture, the pockets of the rotary and ATC, the tool sensor, and the calibration pin are the most important areas to clean. These will be the areas that are measured during calibration. Please refer to the supplemental maintenance guide located on the DWX-50 support page or in your user's guide included with your machine. Besides the checklist of items to prepare before milling and maintenance of the collet, this document will highlight the areas where special attention should be paid during cleaning prior to calibration. Final cleaning of the internal areas of the DWX-50 should be done with a dry, soft, lint-free cloth. Begin by wiping down the fixture, ATC, spindle, calibration pin, and dust capsule. Be sure to clean the small pockets as well. Any tiny pieces of material that remain may possibly interfere with the calibration pin during the detection process. The calibration pin is the most important piece of equipment and should be cleaned and always stored in a dry, safe area. Periodically checking the pin for scratches, rust, or damage is recommended. If the pin becomes damaged, please contact your Roland dealer to order a replacement. The area where your mill is placed and how aggressively your milling strategy is will affect how often the periodic correction calibration should be performed. If your DWX-50 is not in a temperature-controlled environment, you may need to calibrate more often. Temperature changes between hot and cold can affect the accuracy when milling. An aggressive strategy can cause the mill to require calibration more often as well. Calibration should be done according to each user's needs. Once you have completed all the items on the checklist, you should be ready to mill your next job. By cleaning the mill on a regular basis, you will obtain the best results possible while extending the life of your mill for many years to come.